Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Uber app. All right, let's begin. First, download the Uber app from your app store and open it. On the home screen, you'll see the ride section, and you can switch to Eats to order food. At the bottom, explore services like trips, car hire, carpool, and package delivery. The activity tab shows your past and upcoming bookings, while the account section includes wallet, messages, and settings. To book a ride, return to the home screen and select Trip. Set your pickup location by moving the map or confirming your current position. Next, choose your destination by typing it in or selecting a suggestion. Uber will display ride options such as Uber X, Uber XL, Comfort, or Executive. Each option shows passenger capacity, price, and arrival time. Select the option that suits your needs. Choose your payment method, including card, Uber Cash, or vouchers. Once everything is set, confirm your ride and a driver will be assigned shortly. So that's basically how you can use Uber app. That's it for this video. Thanks.